We dey salute una for outside the country people dem this afternoon for inside Equinox Story House. Inside with wrong number, we dey hear say for that side, so for Yawende for National Assembly. Again, Kabayege Jibril, he don't just come up for win like speaker for National Assembly as we tori dey enter for we here. We go take una to enter for inside Dakar for Douala here. 150 teacher them for inside some college. Since yesterday, they don't do waka for vex for before the college. For Sika say they never pay them money. The college, they owe them plenty money. As we tori enter for we here. We go take una enter too for Three Corners Junction na for Bonakanda village. We tori we enter we here just now. He talk for we say one person they shoot him, he died. 4 people them thief go hide, but 2 they don't free. 2 other one them they also find them. With the years say na people them with the gun with the attack Bonadikombo or Bonakanda village for that side. So for inside Abuya Fako division. Palava for Corona, Governor for Southwest Region, Bernard Okalia Bilai, he don't talk for a driver them. Say any man where he come, where he knock out the face mask, may they give him one, then on top of transport, they add the money for the face mask. Now sensitize where Governor Bernard Okalia Bilai, he be the do am inside Boya on top this chapter for Corona. Now so too, we go talk for now as we East African country where they call them Tanzania. It go be the first East African country where it is so woman it go sit down on top like president for some half time. Sabi this one now after we president inside Tanzania John Magufuli he died for Sika heart problem for age for 61. Corona e dey the latest update. We go give am for now. Na so to go enter for Siphon Damba. Sabi say Cotton Sport just now e dey na for number 2 place for a group for African Confederations Cup. After we dey knack a club we e dey keep the cup Renaissance Beacon from Morocco 2-0 for Rumda Jazz Stadium. Newspaper the day we go look inside and case for person wey don lost. Big people them talk this afternoon. It dey tell we say ant wey e know the waka e no go get chop for chop am. I say ant wey know the waka e no fit ever get chop for chop. Big people them talk e come out from Prince James Yimbang e dey look we for Fundong Boyo Division Northwest Region. We return back small time. We dey salute una plenty for outside the country people them plenty glad for meet up una swear talk for na for we strong number. Tori wey the enter we here for that side. So for inside National Assembly country people them wanna sabi say na today we country people they be get for sabi who e go sit down like the speaker for inside National Assembly according to Tori wey e dey just enter for inside we here just now. E dey talk for we 162 people them and 162 honor they vote inside that 147 they vote for Kabayege Jibril for be like the speaker for National Assembly. Na so to 15 people them they no be vote inside this election wey just come up for happen inside National Assembly. So it go mean say since 1992 Kabayege Jibril he don so she done on top the chair like speaker for inside National Assembly. For reminder now 162 honor them vote inside that 162 147 they vote say make Kabayege Jibril is also remain on top chair. Then 14 or 15 people them they no vote as we tori enter for inside we here. We go surely return back with image on top that chapter where we meet up for here. Now for inside Dakar na some college be this where they call them whether na Susanna or na waiting. Now for they will teacher them since on a Thursday or Wednesday the teacher them they don't sit down for a front a college where they ask na money where the yes the teacher them they cry say for plenty time the school it don't deny for pay them their money and all the way they don't try for do am say make the school people themselves they try for pay them their money around 150 of them. School it is also deny for pay them money. So they just now as well the talk they don't go carry that people there they get BB hand we wanna go call them for Emmanuel Macron country talk say grow bra. Now the way they don't drive the teacher them they know the fit for enter inside school for Sika say they ask their money with the year now since Wednesday where the teacher they start for turn up for dom up for this college for that side. So for Dakar as so the year. And as so talk for now problem for money, problem for salary for the people them they never feel for pay them. And on top that one, the teacher the one that they see the way they she done so for ground, then they talk say the school big people them, people there they get the school, they know the one look at them like people them, so they look them like no nothing. So these people them they don't deny or they don't talk, say until the college he pay them, na teacher them that one that they see them so before school picking them, how this teacher them if they get for turn back inside class or teach, how their school picking they go they look them where they vex and they put them on top this kind of work condition. So maybe delegates for a regional delegate for college book inside Douala here, if you never sabi na the college that they say na college Susanna as we to re-enter for we EM, we teacher them they don't she done for ground, say they never pay them money for more than 3 months as we to the enter for we EM. So I hope say the Tori too it go enter for EM for delegate for a secondary or college book for Douala, and if possible too ma Paulina Lovalunga na Idilukot college them na for start for enter for investigate on top this matter. We teacher them they ask for money, instead they go bring a grow bra for inside school for comot this teacher them for outside. So all the people that they should done na teacher them as we Tori enter for inside we here. Now so we go enter for inside Konsamba country people them according to Tori way the enter we here thief he don't enter for Mashebe for that side. So from Konsamba now for Mongo division this store na the CM so the thief people them enter for inside thief thing them as we rain it be the fall as we Tori enter we here thief people they take opportunity for the heavy rain where it throw away for Konsamba for broke enter inside this money binet place with the here say they carry plenty thing them come out with them as we Tori enter for we here one time gendarme people them too they answer present for here wait to a pass and for see as well they go start for make their investigate. Sabi say if it don't be for some time where people them from Mashebe for inside Konsamba they never get this kind of thing again. So just now wait if you don't start turn back again the binet people them they the beg same gendarme people them they open eye and even police people them they open eye. Now just one binet money place where they don't broke enter carry all it in that you go see as well they first open the door then carry it in them for inside the binet money place go with them. For now they never fit for talk who them do but as well gendarme people them say we sabi say for that side we get commander freaks for that side for Mongo North when a young gendarme where a blood it is also pumped for inside. We sabi say they go make their investigate for find the people them where they broke enter inside some binet place for Mashebe. Now for Konsamba as we Tori enter for inside we here. We go enter just now na three corners junction Bonakanda. Now for inside Boya country people them as we Tori they enter for we here. Say inside this village for that place where people they drink so. Now for the way they so some people that with gone they enter for inside that place. They say they shoot some one person where they call him say Mola Ekome, and on top the chapter they say it so they be thief 4 people them go with them on top this chapter. Now the man that way they talk say they shoot him for inside this attack will happen for Three Corners Junction Bonakanda village Boya subdivision. They thief 4 people then go with him, but as all the talk just now for here Tori way the enter we here the try for tell we say they don't left 2 of the 4 people there they catch 4 or 2 of the other people them so till now they never fit for let them. Three Corners Junction Bonakanda village inside Boya subdivision. Now for the way the thing happen maybe by tomorrow when we go turn back for here country people we go bring on a interview for the woman for the person where they shoot him. We hear say be the day is see as where the thing happen. So 2 people them there where they define them they never foresee them, but as all the talk 1 person die 2 people them they don't left them after where they be thief them for go with them where we hear say na people that with gone they enter inside some place where people that the dreaming bow do the kind of thing for inside Three Corners Junction. Now for Bonakanda village Boya subdivision as we Tori enter we here. Inside the same chapter we go take una waka go for Equatorial Guinea. Sabi say two minister them, they don't turn back. Joseph Beti Asomo, Minister for Defense, Gratango, Minister for Territorial Administration. Now them two when Kunkuma send them for that side, so for Equatorial Guinea, after we bomb Ibihala for the two ministers they don't turn back, and Naso to Oga Teodoro Obiangema Bazogo will be the president for Equatorial Guinea. He says he don't say BB thank you for Ikombi for Cameroon. After we he hear he cry, he run camp for Cam YPI. Sabisep say apart from say the minister they be go for go talk Asia, they be go with some chop them, they go to with army rescue, they go to with army people them where they fix road. So now the delegation that when Kunkuma send them after way he did so they bomb them hala for Equatorial Guinea. So now the thing that we pass for Equatorial Guinea on top this matter as we Tori enter we here. We go open chapter just now for Palava for Corona country people them inside Corona remains. We go remain for Boya, Southwest region for talk. Bernard Okalia Bilai, when a governor for Southwest region, he be there for outside country people, for sensitize people them for inside Boya concerning this corona, where he don't come out again, and the time he war bad, past the first time where he be come out. Bernard Okalia Bilai, he be there for that side, so for mile 17 motor park, where he make sure say all people them inside the motor park, they wear their face mask. Now so to governor, he talk for driver them, say any person where come enter motor where he knock out the face mask, make the driver he give the face mask for that person, then he add the money for that person where he no come. Now so too he go for other place them, he be go for Lycée Moliko, he go to for market, he go for place them for try for sensitize people them. Sabi say just now since after we grant and go, he be sign book for talk say make people them start for wear their face mask back and make the sensitization go for before. Now the first time we governor Bernard Okala Bilai he be come out and he be pass for mile 17, he go for Moliko market. Now so to Tonton for inside Lycée for Moliko for sensitize people them concerning this chapter say waiting they must wear face masks all time. So when you talk for people them for Boya, if you go waka hold your face mask so that if you drop they no go tell you say your money na 2,200, you start to ask questions say but who side the 200 come out. Sabi say nothing that way it dey happen or it go dey happen small time on top the same chapter for corona with that archive image. Sabi say Cameroon e be na house for plenty refugee them wey they come out for different country wey they dey down inside we country. Now for sika why that the representative for people them for refugee for inside Cameroon for inside Cameroon where they call it Olivier Bier. He says he be there with minister for sick people Dr. Malauda Malashi, Oga Malauda Malashi for talk say wetin say them too they don't bring some support for these refugee people them where it dey so they dey for inside Cameroon according to wetin Oga Olivier Bier wey na the representative for High Commissioner for Refugee for Cameroon. He talk this motor the one at the CM so country people na motor the way they don't bring am for inside for say wetin na for follow up as way the refugee people them too they go get this constant sensitize concerning this sick way they call am say corona. And as way Oga Malauda Malashi is sign book for take all that in them he don't promise. Oga Olivier say wetin say this in them he no go stay for Yaoundé, they go send them for inside the different refugee camp them so that they go start for follow up and they do sensitize for refugee people them where they dey them plenty, some for inside town, some for side for far north east region they dey for all that side. So now they cargo them with human rights High Commissioner for refugee for inside Cameroon. He don't give am for say make them do sensitize inside refugee camp them concerning corona wey e dey do some kind of thing them. We go take una one time we talk we remain for corona for talk according to the latest update they will get this number 18 day for March 121,214,686 now the total number that for people that they don't get corona since it enter for inside the whole world. 68,724,089 people, they do already well. 2,680,740 people, they do already die since Corona enter inside the whole world. South Africa, according to number, they will get for number 17 day inside this very moon. When a Wednesday, they talk for we say 1,531 positive cases with doctor then test for South Africa where they get Corona on Wednesday. 51,634 people that already died since Corona enter South Africa. Now so to 1,459,056 people they don't well from the sick since we enter for South Africa. And you see say doctor them they don't test 9,524,854 people them since Corona enter for South Africa. Inside Ivory Coast, they detail we say na 2,581 people they dey on top sick bed just now for palava for Corona, but on a Wednesday na 162 new cases them where they test them where they get Corona. 376 people them well, no person no be die. 38,282 people them they don't get Corona since we enter Ivory Coast. 35,487 people that already well. 214 don't die since Corona he enter for Ivory Coast. For Nigeria, Buhari country, according to number the way they give it on Wednesday, 187 new cases where they confirm since Corona enter Nigeria. 161,261 people don't already catch the sick. 146,395 people don't already well since it came, and 2,027 people that already died since Corona enter for inside Nigeria. We go talk this one where it concern big die where Tanzania people then say them get. Now the president that where they call him say waiting John Magufuli where he don't die announce for he die he be passed for their national tele he be there for Wednesday. John Magufuli he died for age for 61 and una sabi say never overstay where he just come up for win vote where he get 84.40% for October 2020 where he get for Shidon on top chair for rule again, but just now for Sika heart problem according to where the vice president for that side he talk for national tele for Tanzania in the show say he die for Sika problem for heart and a big die where Tanzania people them get and just now and he go make history for the first time for Tanzania and for East Africa. Now woman he go shidon like president for inside Tanzania after we did so. John Magufuli he die. Officially the photo for that woman na Dr. Samika Suluhu Hassan na he be that where he go shidon on top the chair where John Magufuli 11 for back. So he already chop chair for the number for years where John Magufuli he be get for shidon look at Tanzania like president na the same number of year than that where he did so. This woman he go shidon for chair and he be the first woman for East Africa and Tanzania for look at the country like president. So he too he get another BB tax where he go do am for that side. So for inside Tanzania country people them as we Tori he enter inside we here. We go take una enter for Bamenda. Tori people them for Bamenda they don't last talk bye bye for Fawa Agata where he be there some Tori Ngondere for that side. So for Abakwa FM country people them Fawa Agata as we Tori enter for we here. He be die after we his skin he no turn up he no be over sick plenty as we Tori enter for we here and for church as we they be the prayer father he talk say make the soul for Fawa Agata he waka better and he be then a time to for Tori people them inside Bamenda too for them too for Shidon and check as we Fawa Agata don't go for before sabi say plenty people them inside Bamenda particularly the Tori people them and one day they follow Abakwa FM they be there for inside church house as we the comot die body for this Tori Ngondere. As I talk for now, he no be over sick plenty. Na small sick wey sick after they talk say wetin he don't die as we Tori enter for inside we ear country people them. So just now na bye bye as we Tori people they go talk for Fawa Agata where he be Tori Ngondere for inside Abakwa FM for that side. So for Bamenda, Mami for Fawa Agata he be talk for we after we the bury pikin.
One way find we for Abakwa FM, CRTV, which one remain. I thank una plenty. Una love una sister. Sute, I don't know. The love I get for una friend, it surpasses all love. Thank una. Una like it, but God like it most. I rely on una.
Yes, na the mami that for that touring on the Fawagata where he died for Bamenda. Now, today for this afternoon, we go discover some person in name. Now, waiting, Rafael Botella. This boy or this man, one of the CSO, he get accident for road since we be dead 19 years. From 19 years, his neck so te go down, he don't paralyze, he no defeat for do no nothing with from his neck, so te his foot. So this man, why we discover it today, we dey hear say after we honor them for inside Spain, they agree say person wey don over here bad, make if he kill himself. Now we will go see the man wey he say he don't talk say don't overhear hot. Una dey see say all the way if he do now with him up, no nothing, he know the worker for his skin. 19 years old where he get accident, and from that time so till now we get 35 years. Now only on top bed he don't dey sleep, no other part for his skin he know the work apart from say wetin he only part where his skin will work na him up. So he say be glad plenty after we hear say he dey so Spain na so the match he finish. Now for group B where Cotton Sport dey inside, JS Kabylie after we fair beat Cotton Sport 1-0 and he draw for a second match, he dey 4 points after 2 match. Cotton Sport get 3 points after 2 match, and Renaissance Berkane he get 3 points after 2 match. Then Las Coco na Napsa Star for Zambia where them dey for Las Coco with 1 point as shown at the same. And the next people them that we Cotton Sport he go play with them as we Tori enter for insights we hear. Now so Sabi say after we dey finish vote, after we dey finish vote, he like fourth vice president for CAF with the year as we dey so Cotton Sport for with the year as we Seydou Bombonjoyam he be go see minister for sports for talk say dey so he don't come back, so he go take blessing for Chief Narcisse Mwele Kombi. Wana Sabi say Narcisse be the chief for inside Bonam village for this side, so for Douala. So he go show his hate for talk, say he don't come back with better news. We been at the fourth vice president for that side for CAF for the assembly will be passed last Friday. Make we try for see some of the newspaper the way they for outside this afternoon country people them. We go start with Horizon newspaper where they outside country people. Horizon, it talk for we say today na D-Day and as well as Sabi, Lefaka, Tabetando with them today they chair them for Speaker for National Assembly and Senate President. Sabi say it already spoil for one end as we Kabayege Jibril. It don't be the new president or it don't turn back like Speaker for National Assembly. You go read Tori to a concern stand up for Cameroon where them say they don't talk concerning people them where they don't violate human rights for inside Cameroon for February 2021. You go read Tori 2 where the right arm concerning other Tori them for inside the country. Post weekend at the talk, I say OC Joshua, he don't swear, say he no be ever waka enter for A2D for 2018. Sabi say na just part of the fight where it happen between Honorable OC Joshua and Honorable Jean-Michel Ninche for SDF. You go read other Tori them inside the post weekend where it dey outside this afternoon. Another newspaper will look for inside today, na the Guardian Post or the Era Tribune. Inside Era Tribune, they try for tell we say waiting. Now who is the fear CPDM section election for Santa question, and the same Era Tribune they ask another question. Now who is there for the better place for Shidon on top Chewe ni John Frundi he go lebam na Honorable Jean-Michel Ninche, Honorable OC Joshua. If you read that chapter, he go read Tori too. As when Kunkuma, he go help people them for Equatorial Guinea after we bomb he hala for day. Other Tori them day for Era Tribune. Tribune, where fit for it. Guardian Post, where they outside too. He get his own chapter for this afternoon, country people them. Inside the Guardian Post, waiting a day for before for Guardian Post. One of their strong number, he consigned na this minister for the foreign minister for Emmanuel Macron, a country where he talk, same governor, he meet up, he talk with people there, they hold on so that they fit make peace for Northwest and Southwest. You go read Tori to a consign Kunkuma Iwaka, where he send 2 ministers them for Equatorial Guinea for go help them with chop and other thing them. After we bomb, he holla for day and other Tori them where the Guardian Post, he get them for his skin. This afternoon and last we dey comot on top tori for the site with Newswatch wey dey the top chapter for National Assembly and the Senate. You go read tori wey dey talk on top that palava, and you go read tori to a concern Honorable Jean-Michel Ninche and OC wey dem too dey inside some small magu inside their own party arrangement. Other tori dem plus other one Newswatch wey dey outside e carry am. We get this case for person wey don lost country people them. Make we try for see this case where we get them this afternoon. Country people them na Kechanku Desire where he don lost, and Madam Kamginya Darlene he announce say any person wey don see this a sister mommy where he don lost, make he call that number them for before tele 691-290-788 674-27 644. They say if you see, you feel report the case for any gendarme or police officer there for corner, or you bring them for Equinox Story House. Country people them. We don't finish for this afternoon, country. Big thank you for Danny Warren Zede. We put camera from her before. Thank you too for backside. Country people them. We get Derek. We get even the other people them like Malis and Ma Nadine. We all them. They did for backside day. If all thing work fine, Ambassador go turn back for morning time with other to read them. When I hold them tight for outside.